One of the advantages of being engaged in watercolor painting is that you start appreciating nature and things around you much better than the people who are not engaged in this activity. Great. Hello friends, my name is Anil and I do watercolor painting. Now for today we are going to have this subject. These are the three landscapes and I will be painting them, and I hope that you can practice them later on as well. Now, pertinent to this, I would like to ask you two quiz questions, the answers of which I will give towards the end of the video. Number one is, in what situation can a person, a man, be larger than a tree or even mountain for that matter? And second question is, to give a good quality washes, like in these three landscape you find green meadows, a sky, the wash has to be perfect. So what are few of the elements, say three elements, which will help in giving a beautiful, plain, smooth wash or even a graded wash, right? So let's get down to painting. Great. I hope you have enjoyed these three landscapes. Do practice them, and let me know in case you have any suggestions, any more information you would like to have. Regarding quiz questions, the first question was, can a human figure be larger than mountains or tree, and in what is the advantage of that? See, in a landscape, for example, if you have if you don't have a human figure, you may like to add a human figure which is closer and which appears to be larger than even a mountain. This gives a depth to the picture. In this landscape, these flowers are appearing to be larger than even mountains and the bushes which are far off. This is the advantage. Number two is how do you give a plain watercolor wash without any edges or dried surfaces in between. So number one, have a brush which can hold larger water, larger color. Don't go in for a smaller size brush. As far as possible, try and go for the largest size available with you, depending on, of course, the size of the painting. Number two, prepare sufficient color beforehand so that you don't end up having a shortage of a color, and then you need to prepare a color of that shade again, and in the process whatever you already painted becomes dry and creates edges. Number three is you need to give a plain water wash. Actually, it has some disadvantage. In case you want to give higher value wash, then the earlier water which you already provided on the paper makes it a little thin, and you need to give one more wash then in that case. But that will help in giving a smoother wash, at least in the initial periods. You can have water wash beforehand. I hope you are liking these videos. If you are liking these videos, do give thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you will be able to get the videos in notifications in time. Great. Thank you and see you on next Friday.